Welcome back to my new video. So in this video I'm doing another tutorial. This time I thought I would make a glam one. So yeah, and on the end of the video, in the description I will put the image, the background and everything I use for this video. So if you want to practice, so everything will be in the description down below. And so what I did is loaded the outer image and I loaded the background, went with this one, kind of red carpet kind of look. And as always, when I start image, scale image, I go on a 8 or 700. So when we edit, of course, we click here, make it bigger. And when we go on 50, it will be a nice size. So now let's zoom in or click here the zoom tool. So where I'm gonna start is the face as always. So we start with a new layer and I'm gonna do my neck first. I'm gonna use this Eclipse tool as always, my main tool for everything. And let's capture kind of the head. So don't worry, it doesn't have to be here like this. Capturing, you just need this jaw, this underneath like this. Then click Ctrl L and E. I click here on edit, where is it? On select, invert, so it needs to be inverted. And I'm gonna go with this airbrush tool, make it nice and big, 50 or even more. I kind of want it the same size as this Eclipse one, so like this. And what I do is click and drag it down and keep holding it like this. Then click select none, click the erase tool, resize my brush, erase this excess on the side, keep it like this, or you go on overlay. And I like to double overlay because I like a dark shadow. And then the second one, I put opacity maybe on a 44. The first one is on 100. So you can also work on the face, like use the airbrush tool, copy paste, blah blah blah. I think this skin is really perfect. I love the nose shape, it's really perfect. So of course contouring the face using Eclipse tool for freaking everything, believe me when I say. So what we're gonna do now is be sure the Eclipse tool is from ear to ear basically. To blur Glam blur, but I'm just do a small blur and overlay, and of course opacity down. We don't need such a harsh contouring. Well, if you want, then you can. So now I'm trying to do a contour around the face so everything looks really snatched.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So I don't click overlay, and like we already have a more snatched look, so I'm gonna put opacity more down on a 72. New layer, let's do the nose. Like the nose already looks perfect, but of course we need to do some editing as well.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
By the way guys, if I'm too fast and you cannot catch up, you can go here on YouTube underneath on the settings, click speed and change the speed to slower so you can follow all my steps if I'm too fast. So let's keep going with the nose.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
So I'll open a new layer and I'm gonna do the cat craze. Like recently, this is my favorite thing to do. Like I changed my style to edit like a lot. So now that I did it, like it's a really difference from this to this. Kind of make the avatar more realistic, I would say, because I don't know, I like it. So now let's do this shadow in the eye, and with that, this eye is gonna be more snatched than now.
Left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
To match the whole eye look, eyeliner look. So now I'll do an eyeliner on the bottom waterline.
Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll.
So now I'm gonna open a new layer and go on a 2 and use this hard brush. And I'm gonna click, okay, I'm gonna go with the 2. Make here, quickly, like on the edge of the eye. Let me find it. Okay, under this layers, like if here is the main layer of this, underneath, click on it and make a layer. And I'm gonna rename it, call it makeup. So I'm gonna copy paste the colors. I might start with the dark one and then cut a crease, and we'll see. Let's get started with that.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So the first layer of this wall I clicked in color. Second one is overlay, so it's giving this extra light. So now I'm gonna go just with a black color to enhance it. So I can remove the picture now.
no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So now I'm gonna do the highlight by choosing this white color, of course. Open a new layer, the airbrush tool, and the size around 11.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
I will take care of this part right here. As always, my dear Eclipse tool.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now here, so since I have here a hairband, I thought I could make kind of hair that's kind of wavy, so from the back. So for that, I will need to go in the first picture, since the main picture is this one, and underneath it I need to make a new layer and use this kind of brush. I'll go on a 50.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
let's go look for that. So I got this one. So I used this in previous edits on Procreate and I really loved it. What I loved are these kind of hollow particles. Looks freaking bomb. And of course I'm liking here as well is collect Ctrl L M, merge down everything, then we go filter and change sharpen, another 40, and we have our picture. So this is it guys for this video. So for the next video I will do I will make X tutorial, but not 100 parts. It will be one part editing, and it's really easier to edit with a pen with fingers instead of a hand and a mouse. Like, it's a whole new level. So I'm excited for the next one, and feel free to comment and tell me what kind of edit you want to see in the next video. It will be a full edit in one part, and I'm excited. And I would say thank you for tuning in this video, and be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!
You should see me in a crowd.